This video will guide you through a quick and easy step on how to fix FIFA Mobile sound. If you're experiencing issues with the sound in FIFA Mobile, or if you're not being able to hear the sound for your FIFA Mobile game, then here are some fixes you could try. The first thing to do is to launch open FIFA Mobile on your mobile device. Once you're inside this main interface, before troubleshooting within the game, make sure the sound is working correctly on the device. Simply go ahead and turn on the volume key, or if you've enabled Do Not Disturb mode, turn it off. Now, the next thing to do is to enable sound in the game. Simply go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right hand corner from the main homepage. After you're inside this game, tap on the volume settings option. Ensure that the menu music is enabled. Simply go ahead and drag the slider and adjust the music according to your preference. Make sure the volume settings for every other option is turned on. After you are done, you can tap the cross icon at the top right. After turning on all of the sound settings, you might be able to fix the issue. If the problem still continues, the next thing to do is to restart the game. Simply go ahead and close off FIFA Mobile completely and relaunch open the game. Sometimes, simply restarting your game can resolve temporary sound glitches. If the problem still persists, then simply go ahead and update your game. Go and tap open your App Store or your Play Store and search for FIFA Mobile. Once you find the game, tap on the update button if available from this page to download the latest version of FIFA Mobile game for your mobile device. Once you have the latest version of FIFA Mobile installed, you might be able to fix your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're having trouble with FIFA Mobile sound. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more videos like this. Goodbye till then.